Hi guys, so today we are going to review Miyoko's line of vegan cheeses. I am excited because I never have tasted her line of cheeses. We're going to be starting with tasting the butter, which is very interesting that is made with oat milk and a little bit of salt. Her cream cheese. I love cream cheese, so I'm also excited about tasting this one. We are going to taste her cheddar sliced cheese to put on burgers or sandwiches, and also her shredded regular cheddar. So the second thing I'm reviewing is the butter. I thought it was going to be a little bit more spreadable. However, I don't know. It wasn't yellow like I expected, and it was a little stiff. So I wasn't disappointed, but I think it will do the job. I went and tasted the butter, and it was very oily. I know butter's supposed to be oily, but this was like very oily. So I'll give it a pass. The second thing that I'm gonna taste here is the cream cheese. Yummy. I love a bagel cream cheese. And when I saw it, I thought it was gonna be soft. It's softer than the butter, but it wasn't white either. I went and tasted it, and it was very sour and very grainy. It doesn't compare to Violife at all. I love Violife and Kite Hill cream cheeses, and it doesn't look the same or taste the same. So the next thing I'm tasting is actually the cheddar sliced cheese. It was a little hard. Violife has cheeses like this, and it was very hard. The smell very nuttery, and also I gave it a taste, and it didn't taste like cheddar. It tasted like nuts, and I tried to melt it as well, and it didn't melt that well. I'm very disappointed about this cheese. I was really looking forward to it. As you see, it broke in half, and I don't know how I feel about that one. And this is the same thing basically, but shredded, and it was very disappointing. It didn't really smell like cheddar. It was hard, and I really had better. So I went ahead and did just eggs and added the shredded cheese and put it on the microwave, and it didn't melt. As you can see, it's still very hard and crumbly, and I'm very disappointed. So I don't recommend buying these cheeses, and stick to Violife and Kite Hill. So there you go. That's my review. Thank you.